Welcome! In front of me I have Lenovo Watch R1 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe left on the home screen to open the menu. Then find the option called Style and tap on it. Sometimes the touchscreen on this watch is a bit, let's say it doesn't want to cooperate all the time. So once you tap on Style, it will open this menu and you can swipe up and down on the screen. Again, the touchscreen is not working with me. Oh, now it's working. So we can scroll through the list of watch faces. We have only 3 of them. And once you find the watch face you would like to use, you can tap on it and it will be applied on your watch. Now when you wake up the screen, the watch face will be changed. You can also change the watch face if your watch is paired with a phone by using the phone application. So if we zoom out, okay, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open Lenovo Sports, tap on the device icon, and here we have the list of watch faces, and we can tap on them to select them and apply them. Okay, and that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.